Hey guys, welcome back to LPS Galaxy here, and please excuse the background because my mom and sister are having a talk, and I wanted to do a slime review of all the Nickelodeon slimes that I have made out of slime kits and DIY slimes. So here we go. I'm going to show you the first one. Here's the first one, eyeball slime, and I have in my Mars mud it actually dried up, so I actually just put it in the Mars mud container. So yes, let's get this thing open. Nice morning. Okay, it was a looper. So yeah, guys, this slime is not very stretchy, but I still like it. It has like little eyeballs in it, and it's like putty. I got it out of Crazy Slime Kit. That's what it's called, Nickelodeon, and it has sparkles in it, and I love it. So yeah, let's move on to the next slime. This is slime that I made yesterday, actually. It's Model Magic slime, and I can't tell you my recipe because it's like really secret. You guys will have to tell me your recipes in the comments how you make your Model Magic butter slime, because this is a really good Model Magic slime, and yeah, I love it. It's like good butter slime. And moving on to my next one. Oh, and just a disclaimer, I do put lotion, scented lotion of the colors that I like in my butter slime. So yeah, that's what I do. So let's get on to the second one I made yesterday. I got Blueberry Twist scented in here. It's a very pretty color, and I will tell you guys in one of my next slime videos my recipe for Model Magic. Today, people are around, so I don't want to spoil it. Better not make my other slime. Better not. You can make the same slime as me, but please, please, please don't tell anyone else. I know that people are going to find out anyway, but like still. I never even told my friends because they are going to make it and say that they found out a new kind of stuff. Okay, this is actually the slime I just made today. It was made out of glue, craft glue, paint, and shaving cream. So yeah, I was trying to mix some red glue with blue paint, and I turned out with this slime. I didn't know what it meant, like really. I didn't know what it would make because I was trying to figure out like a new color now, and I thought the glue was actually paint. So I used it, and it started to make slime. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to put this on my channel. So yeah. So here is the slime. I didn't know that it would make putty. I was just painting an LPS Galaxy symbol for my intro, and I found the slime. It's so like amazing, and as you can see, it has like beads in it. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. I only have 2 more slimes, and they are both made actually with the same thing, except I tried to make bloopy slime, jiggly slime, yes, and it is actually very hard. So it might not be hard to you guys, but I really tried water, so it didn't really work out for me. So here's the slime that I just tried to fix today. It was like all hard and crumbly, but then I used hot water. This always works for your detergent slimes. You just put it in hot water if it dries up. And it has little beads in it, as you can see. It's a very good butter slime. Well, it's not actually butter slime, but I call it butter slime because like it's really good. I'm sorry if the lightage is really messing you guys up and it's hard to see what color it is, but it's like a very faded blue. Now, it's time for last but not least slime. And I'm sorry for if my mom and my sister are still talking very loudly. Ow. I'm sorry for that. Now, last but not least, slime. Okay, I didn't have anything else because I went to my cousin's house and I was spending the week at my papa's and I didn't have anything to put my slime in. So I was like, why not a mason jar? Why not a mason jar? So there it is. So yeah, let's do this thing. Ow. So this is the slime. And my parents are still talking in the background. I'm sorry for that because they're just running their mouths away. So thank you guys for watching another one of my videos, and please like and subscribe.